Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to empty your OneDrive storage in only 5 minutes. Let's begin by making some room and organizing your digital life. Start by visiting the official OneDrive website. Open your web browser, search for OneDrive, and click on the primary Microsoft link. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button in the top right corner. If you aren't logged in, enter the email and password for your Microsoft account. Once you have logged in, you will arrive at the OneDrive homepage. This dashboard is the central hub for managing your files. From here, find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Clicking this will open a sidebar or a new window depending on your device. Look for the Options selection and click it. Within these settings, navigate to the Manage Storage section. This is where you can optimize your space. Click on Free Up Space to see which files are taking up the most room in your cloud. Now, carefully select all the folders and documents you want to delete. You will see a list of everything that has accumulated over time. To fully clear your space, highlight the items you no longer need. Please be careful, as once these files are removed, they are very difficult to recover. It is always smart to double-check your choices before deleting them forever. With your items highlighted, click the Delete button. OneDrive will then strip those files from your account. This simple action saves significant space and prevents your storage from filling up too quickly. It is an effective way to keep your digital files tidy. That is all there is to it. In just a few moments, you have lightened your OneDrive storage. Thank you for watching this quick guide to cloud management.